If we optimize the passenger flow here, we meet the capacity goal.
Agreed. The guideway compatibility LUD.
Inverted design offers different operational characteristics.
Aluminum extrusion produces structural profiles forming vehicle frame. Specialized alloys provide strength-to-weight ratio. Underframe assembly constructs equipment mounting platform housing traction systems and auxiliary systems. Bogie fabrication manufactures wheeled assemblies with rubber tires contacting the running surface. Multiple drive wheel installation mounts powered tires receiving torque from electric motors. Rubber tire drive provides excellent traction and smooth acceleration,
Guide wheel assembly installs horizontal wheels preventing lateral movement. Guide wheels run against beam sides.
Stabilizer wheel mounting positions additional contact points, enhancing stability. Multiple wheel contact points create stable platform resisting wind loads and dynamic forces during operation.
2 UT-313. Suspension testing and integration installs air.
Daskew. Gearbox mounting connects motors to drive wheels through reduction gearing. Optimized gear ratios balance. Inverter installation mounts power electronics controlling traction motors.
This is an emergency announcement. Please evacuate the train using the elevated guideway. Follow the illuminated signs to safety.
233.20. Air compressor installation supplies pneumatic systems operating doors, suspension, and brake.
Door system integration installs plug-type sliding doors at each vehicle section. Wide door
Lighting installation embeds LED fixtures in ceiling panels, providing illumination.
This durable, slip-resistant, resilient flooring withstands heavy foot traffic while providing critical acoustic damping.
Control, we have a confirmed breach at Site B. Rerouting aerial data now.
Copy that, Sierra 1. Sending ground team ETA.
There's smoke in the car. We need help immediately.
This is the control center. We are aware of the situation and help is on the way. Please remain calm.
The next stop is Central Station. This is a safety announcement.
The next stop is Central Station. The estimated arrival time is 2:30 p.m. This is a transfer.
Rear camera installation mounts.
Attention. Emergency. Please evacuate the train immediately.
Stay calm, everyone. Follow the green lights to the exit.
We're almost there. Just keep moving steadily.
Okay, one at a time. Watch your step on the ladder. Keep moving down slowly. The next person, please come forward.
Exterior graphics application applies vinyl wraps or paint schemes displaying operator branding and advertising.
Aerodynamic fairing installation covers bogies and equipment, reducing service.
Keep moving, everyone. Follow the walkway to the station.
How much further is it? It feels unstable.
Weather sealing application installs rubber gaskets at doors and panel joints preventing water intrusion. Comprehensive sealing. Acoustic insulation installation applies sound deadening materials throughout structure. Multiple insulation layers reduce.
Cable harness installation routes electrical wiring throughout vehicle connecting systems. Wire bundles facilitate troubleshooting and maintenance.
Pneumatic piping installation connects air compressor, door operators, and brake systems.
Underfloor equipment mounting secures auxiliary systems beneath passenger floor. Protected mounting locations shield equipment from.
Check the voltage on the auxiliary line.
Reading steady at 600 volts. The pantograph is clear to rise.
RIN 233.63. Emergency power disconnect installation provides manual isolation switches, enabling.
Diagnostic port installation positions service connections, serviced inertia. 233.65. Weight distribution optimization positions heavy components balanced.
Center of gravity calculation verifies stability under all loading conditions. Engineering ensures visual.
Static testing applies loads verifying structural strength before dynamic testing. Load testing confirms car body.
Dynamic testing operates vehicle on test track evaluating ride quality and system performance. Comprehensive testing validates design.
Brake testing measures stop wind and distances under variable verifying adequate braking performance. Safety testing.
Door cycle testing operates doors thousands of times, verifying reliability. Accelerated testing.
Vibration testing measures structural response to guideway irregularities. Vibration analysis ensures.
Electromagnetic compatibility testing verifies vehicle systems don't interfere with each other or external.
233.76. Fire safety testing validates material.
Crash testing evaluates vehicle crashworthiness and passenger protection systems. Collision testing verifies adequate structural.
Evacuate immediately. Use the slide one by one. Move quickly to the safe area on the guideway.
Quality inspection examines every system, verifying build quality and specification compliance. Rigorous inspection
exits. This is the customer acceptance demonstration,
showcasing the vehicle capabilities.
And the formal acceptance testing.
333.82. Delivery preparation secures vehicle for transport, protecting finished surfaces during shipping.
Shipping logistics coordinates transport by truck, rail, or ship to project locations.
The voltage levels look stable across the auxiliary systems.
Confirmed. Let's proceed with the system calibration.
Technical documentation compilation provides maintenance manuals, parts catalogs, and wiring diagrams. Complete documentation supports effective maintenance throughout multi-decade vehicle service life. Spare parts provision establishes initial inventory supporting vehicle maintenance. Adequate spare parts availability ensures rapid repairs.
Warranty support provides factory assistance addressing early operational issues. Manufacturer support builds customer. Performance monitoring analyzes operational data from early revenue service. Data collection validates design.
Continuous improvement incorporates lessons learned from service experience. Engineering changes systematically address identified issues.
Customization capability adapts standard designs for specific customer requirements. Flexible Theming options provide specialized interior and resort applications.
The next stop is Central Station. This train is fully wheelchair accessible.
233.93. Climate adaptation modifies designs for extreme environments, including desert heat and Arctic.
Seismic design incorporates earthquake-resistant features in vehicles serving seismic zones, structural flexibility and safety weathers. Typhoon resistance strengthens structures for high wind regions subject to tropical storms. Enhanced wind resistance ensures safe.
Salt corrosion protection applies enhances coating speed.
Vandalism resistance incorporates durable materials and protective designs, deterring damage. Robust construction withstands abuse.
Energy efficiency optimization implements regenerative braking and lightweight construction, minimizing power consumption.
Renewable energy integration enables operation from solar or wind power sources. Sustainable
Battery electric operation develops autonomous vehicles operating without electrified guideway. Battery technology enables monorails operating in
Hydrogen fuel cell research explores zero-emission propulsion alternatives. Emerging technologies promise clean.
Autonomous operation advancement enhances drivers' capabilities through artificial intelligence.
Passenger counting systems install sensors measuring ridership, supporting service planning. Accurate ridership data enables African.
Real-time passenger information provides mobile connectivity, enabling journey planning. Smartphone
Contactless fare payment integration supports smartphone and card-based payment systems. Convenient payment options reduce.
Bike accommodation provides designated spaces for bicycles, supporting multimodal transportation. Bicycle integration.
Luggage capacity optimizes storage space for airport applications. Generous luggage areas accommodate airline passenger baggage without compromising seating capacity.
Flexible configuration enables various seating and standing layouts. Adaptable interiors accommodate different service
penalties. Life extension programs refurbish aging vehicles, updating systems and refreshing interiors. Midlife overhauls villages. Technology upgrades retrofit older vehicles with modern control and information systems. Systematic modernization.
Historic significance is pioneering bias and funnel systems.
Capacity advantages provide high passenger throughput on dedicated and elevated guideways. Grade separated operation eliminates traffic.
Visual impact consideration minimizes infrastructure footprint compared to conventional elevated railways. Slender guidelines.
Construction speed enables rapid deployment compared to subway construction. Elevated construction proceeds quickly.
Cost effectiveness balances infrastructure and vehicle expenses. System costs compare favorably with light rail and metro alternatives. Operational efficiency from automation and grade separation.
2333.119. Safety record demonstrates excellent performance with few accidents worldwide. Inherent
Environmental benefits include electric propulsion and minimal land disturbance, clean, quiet operation, and small infrastructure. Urban integration aesthetics enable architectural design coordination with surroundings. Attractive guideway and
tourism attraction potential creates destinations, particularly in resort and entertainment contexts. Iconic monorail installations become
economic development catalyst stimulates investment along corridors. Reliable transit access encourages development and increases property values near stations, supporting urban revitalization objectives. Technology perception positions monorails as modern, innovative transportation. Futuristic image appeals to communities.
Clubs.
Picture anticipates expanded applications and due to each and endumary energy serval, tin plungdel but distant continues iversological.
Industry evolution reflects continuous improvement over 60 years of commercial operation, sustained development refined.
This sleek vehicle represents specialized engineering, elegantly solving urban transit challenges worldwide.